Hello guys, today I show you how to make your battery life in laptops longer. So how to do so? Meaning your battery is good. It can save your battery life longer in laptop, but not desktop. Okay, just here you see here. Just right click on it. Right click, you have a window mobility center. Just click on it. So here we have three. Balance mean if you click on balance, it means automatically change by itself. If you use a simple, like say, internet or Microsoft Word, Excel, it will change to the low one automatically, uh, not the high, the low one for battery. Remember, this one is for unlock, not for charge. If you unplug your battery, this is your unplug battery only. You charge computer. This is not for the charging. So balance means it automatically change by itself. Like say it change if you use Microsoft. If you use higher performance like editing, like yeah, others, Autocad or Photoshop will change by itself. So another one is power saver. So when to use this? This one used when you online with your internet or do something Word, Excel, or others that I recommend you to use Power Saver. And another one is uh, high high performance. So when to use high performance? High performance use when you open your editing, Photoshop, or others. You should use this. This will help your battery life longer. But if you use the balance, it also save your battery life, but it will change slowly, not fast. When example, when you need to open Sony Vegas Pro 18, it and it is in balance.